How to buy PayPal gift card online. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with the video. To begin with, you will have to open up a preferred browser on your PC or on your mobile device. Search for PayPal gift card. From here, select the first option, Buy e-gift cards online. You will find various of gift cards starting from your favorite food shops to your ride shares as well. In the search bar, you can just go ahead and search for any of the keywords, such as if I type in food, it will list out all of the gift items related to the keyword. For an example, I want to buy the Starbucks gift card. Simply tap on the gift card. In the custom amount, enter the amount. Minimum is $10 and maximum is $100. Select apply. If this is a gift, tap on it and enter the email address and name. If it's for you, simply tap on add to cart. Then tap on the checkout bubble. From here, if you scroll down, you will see a grand total. Select buy now. Now wait until it is load. To pay with your PayPal, enter your email address or mobile number. Then just go ahead and tap on next. If you forgot your email, just tap on forgot email and follow the instruction given to you. Once logged in, continue with your payment. And once you are done with all the payment procedure, you will be able to buy your PayPal gift card. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.